Hey everyone, welcome back to All Thing Tech, where we usually dive into the latest gadgets, innovations, and futuristic tools. But today we are taking a slightly different turn into the world of design history and fashion technology. By popular demand, we are reviewing something timeless, elegant, and surprisingly structured, the Empire Waist Dress. Stick around because this is going to be a fascinating breakdown. Let's start with a little context. The Empire Waist Dress is not just a beautiful piece of fashion, it's a historical silhouette with roots going back to the late 18th and early 19th century. Popularized during the Regency era, this design completely transformed how women dressed by emphasizing comfort, grace, and fluidity. The key characteristic of the Empire Waist Dress is its high waistline, which sits just below the bust, from where the fabric flows down softly over the body. The structure not only created an elongated look but also made it much easier to wear compared to the restrictive corsets of previous styles. Moving into design highlights, this dress features a combination of visual elegance and smart functionality. One of the most notable design elements is the high cut bodice, which supports the upper frame while allowing maximum flow beneath. It's typically paired with short, puffed sleeves, which add to the classic silhouette. The neckline is often square or gently curved, drawing attention to the collarbone and neck for a graceful presentation. The fabric choices for Empire Waist dresses are equally important. Lightweight materials like silk, satin, and muslin are traditionally used to create that soft, flowing appearance. You'll often find rich detailing along the bodice at the hem, such as lace embroidery or beadwork, that gives the dress its character without overpowering its clean lines. Let's look at the interior features, which, in the world of fashion design, means the structure and how the garment is constructed. Unlike modern dresses that might rely on stretch materials or zippers, Empire Waist dresses are often crafted with intricate stitching and concealed fastenings like hooks, ties, or fabric-covered buttons. The lining is usually soft and breathable to ensure comfort, especially since these dresses were originally designed for both casual wear and formal settings. High-quality Empire dresses will include structured interfacing beneath the bustline to maintain shape and support while still preserving that signature loose drape. The beauty of this design is that it allows airflow, freedom of movement, and elegance all at once. Now you might be wondering about performance, and while that term is more common in tech and auto industries, it has its place in fashion too. Performance, in this context, refers to how the dress functions in real life. Think ease of wear, versatility, durability, and how it moves with the wearer. Empire Waist dresses perform exceptionally well in a variety of settings.